Every week is the best week?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you have $2.
But later somebody from another village stealing
Yes, one time
and
someone from another village had stolen our $2 and we were crying all week.
For a week, but then your aunt sent you more, and then you...
No, it's the worst week in our life, and the next will be the same, so...
But then you got $2 and it was okay?
What?
But then the next week you got $2 more.
Yeah, but in the next week somebody from another village the same what he did last. Oh.
Did you ever buy another toothbrush with the $2?
No, we don't have a toothbrush.
Are you recording us? Are you recording us?
No.
No.
But okay. Hello, people from America.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay. If you got some toothbrush, please send it to us.
Because we have just one brush for all village.
Yes.
Really.
And now Zbigniew Kowalski have our toothbrush, and we are crying all the time. And our president don't have his own toothbrush, so
I want to say that in Poland we eat cats. Really,
yes,
believe me.
Believe me, we love cats. Oh, if you have some cats, because I heard from Morgan that people in America have cats. So please send it to us, and we need towels. Towels, yes.
And some clothes.
Some clothes,
yes. Because
you
we're
see
so
clothes,
poor.
but it's only your dream. We are naked now, so please.
I'm not naked. Maybe she is not.
So please send to us cats, toothbrush, and towels, please. Yeah. Do you want to ask question, Morgan?
Is there anything else in Poland that you really need?
I have to think about it.
I'm so happy because
We need
I
food.
got this from
Yes,
Caleb.
America. Thank you, thank America for this. Thank you. Yeah, and what we need? I think that we need food because
And
we are
water.
hunting. We are hunting all the time for fresh meat, and sometimes we eat leaves from trees. But now it's too hot in Poland, and all trees are dead. So we need fresh leaves. So if you get some trees, please send us leaves from them.
A live tree.
No, it's a dream.
It's a dream, yeah. Polish dream, not American dream.
Tell me again about Krakow.
Krakow, okay.
Okay.
So,
You think that you saw Krakow? Yes?
Yes.
But you didn't say it because
It was a
there's-
dream.
It was a dream.
They gave us
For real,
pills.
There is that.
Yes.
You get the pills, and you were walking. There is only one street. There are only two houses, and you follow
And the rest
big
is
city,
cartoons.
yes,
Because
it's
people
cartoons. Lives
in Poland
cartoons.
live in cartoons.
Yes, and we are very
Sometimes
happy.
under the bridges.
It's very happy month for Poland because 1 month ago Zbigniew Jakubczyk.
Okay, I can't take it.
Zbigniew Jakubczyk had jakieś odkryć? Had discovered a fire, so now we have a fire in houses.
He gave us matches.
Matches, yes, and we are very happy now. So you can see a smile on our face, yeah.
But you should brush your teeth still.
But we don't have a toothbrush, so please send us toothbrush.
Okay.
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.